Auckland. We are so happy to be here to perform the Children's Art House today. This is Senior Parent. We are so honored to play with Sean. Seattle to Auckland. Thank you for having us. So we are going to do a mirror piece, and this is a welcoming dance. It's about when you welcome people when they have a ceremony or just people come to visit people's houses, you give them water first to drink. Water is very important in everything we do in rituals. Water brings life from birth to death. People dance, sing, and water is always involved to calm down the dust and the air, and everybody's dancing. So this is a very special day.